What are the different redevelopment options for landed homes? We are all familiar with renovation works, where it mainly relates to internal changes with no increase in space added.
There is also A&E, which involves less than 50% addition to existing GFA. A&E may also involve minor works which impact less than 50% of the building's external walls or structure.
This is in contrast to reconstruction, where there is more than 50% addition to existing GFA, which may include increases in story height and/or changes in housing form, example from semi-D to detached.
The last option, rebuild, involves demolishing the entire building and rebuilding a new one, and this often increases a significant increase to existing GFA.
Do note that A&A only requires CSC clearance, while reconstruction and rebuilding requires both TOP and CSC, as well as adherence to both the URA master plan and the envelope control guidelines.
That's 1 minute!